Okay, last video for the night. My kid just threw up. He threw up all over my floor. And he was like, you know, I'm not mad. I mean, poor kid. I could tell he was not feeling well as soon as I picked him up. Hey, stop it. Leave me alone. So what happened is that he throws up, and then Lucas goes, yeah, what, buddy? Yeah, I'll get you strawberries in just a second. I'm going to finish this video, and I'll get them for you, okay? He throws up, and he goes, it's like my whole body wants to poop. I've never heard vomiting explained like that. That's hilarious. Okay, anyways. All right, let's be an adult. So last question. This is a tough one. It takes Leo 12 hours to make one table and 12 hours to make a chair. All right. So already, I know this is what's going to happen. I'm supposed to develop a linear inequality system. All right. I'm not supposed to solve it. I'm just supposed to build it, right? And then I will use technology to figure out where it's at. Possible solutions. So I have 12 hours to make a table, plus 20 hours to make a chair. So I'm just going to use those variables. All right. Now Leo wants to make at least 5 tables. At least. So that means he can make more than 5. And he wants to make at least, and chairs. So 8 chairs. So at least 5 tables and 8 chairs to display in his new shop. Leo works 40 hours in a week. Okay, so the issue with this is that piece, right? In 8 weeks is the issue. All right, so this makes this a pretty complex problem because 8 weeks is not 40 hours. Okay? So a lot of you were tempted to put he's got to equal 40, right? Now I'm writing that very light because that's 1 week. He has 8 weeks. So if it's 8 weeks, what is 8 times 40? That's 320. That's the total number of hours that he has over this 8-week period. And each chair is 12. I'm sorry, each chair is 20 and each table is 12. So he's constrained. That's his constraint. He has to be less than 320. He can't work overtime. So this system right here, that's what you would graph inside Desmos. All right. Now, I didn't show you guys how to graph inequalities on the TI-84, but these are all the constraints that I have. All right, and I'm gonna allow you to use Desmos. If you get a linear inequality system, you can use Desmos to figure out what is a possible. So list 2 different combinations of tables and chairs. If I were to graph this, then I would be able to see that possibility. Okay. Now your TI-84 does graph it, but I'm just not going to go there tonight because I'm sure you got a million things, a million other things to do, including myself. So we're going to call it. And all right, have a good night.